Chengdu, China. A city of spice and history where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations. And nestled in the heart of this vibrant metropolis is Jinli Street, a sensory tapestry woven from silk, spice, and the echoes of centuries past. Jinli Street isn't just a street, it's a living museum. For over 2,000 years, this place has been a bustling center of commerce and culture. Imagine, if you will, the clatter of silk merchants, the enticing aromas of street food unchanged for generations. Walking down Jinli Street is like stepping into a time capsule. The buildings, with their curved roofs and red lanterns, whisper tales of dynasties long gone. The air hangs heavy with the scent of Sichuan peppercorns, their fiery aroma a reminder of the region's legendary cuisine. And speaking of food, no trip to Jinli Street is complete without sampling the local delicacies. Dan Dan noodles, fiery and flavorful, challenge your taste buds with their numbing spice. Sichuan hot pot, a bubbling cauldron of meat, vegetables, and enough chili peppers to satisfy the most adventurous palate, is a communal experience not to be missed.